Respected Ramanjan sir, the ELTC director and the senior faculty of English department, and the observer Raskiran sir, a very good afternoon sir. And my dear colleagues, a very good afternoon each and everyone who are seated here. So today my lesson, the objective of my lesson is to make the students have better idea about the particular topic what I am going to teach now. Right, good afternoon students.
Good afternoon.
How are you all?
Yes,
Have you all had lunch today?
Yes.
Yes, okay, right, very good. So Mr. Paul Francis, what is the lunch you had today? I hope that is going to be delicious, right? Rice with? Rice? Okay, very good. Yeah, thank you very much. Yeah, Mr. Gopi.
Sir.
Yeah, what's the delicious food that you had?
Today I had a rice with beans, sir.
Beans. Wow, very good. Nice. Very interesting. So that you vegetarian?
Thank you, sir.
Yes? Okay, very good. Right. So anyway, in the previous class already we discussed some of the components. So that's very fine. And also I hope that you listen very well. You had a better idea. So today, just before we begin this lesson, I want to ask you a question. That is, so Mr. Surya, please respond for the question. That is, what are the grammar topics that we have in English language? Can you please respond for this question?
Sure, sir.
Yes.
Articles, sir.
Okay, very good. Any more?
Parts of speech, sir.
Very good. Parts of speech. And can you please? Tenses. Wow, very good. Tenses. Right. Any more? Can you please tell me any another component in English language which is grammar topic?
Direct and indirect speech.
Direct and indirect speech. Very good. Sir, excuse me. Direct speech and the next one is?
Indirect speech.
Indirect speech, very good. Indirect speech. Yes, thank you for the response. Right. Mr. Nagaraju,
Sir.
yeah, can you please tell me another component area which we have in the grammar, in English grammar?
Voice, sir. Active voice, passive voice.
Very good. Active voice and passive voice.
Simple, compound, complex sentences.
Active voice and passive voice. Right.
Sir,
Okay.
simple, compound, complex sentences. Sir.
Very good. That's a nice. Very good.
And noun phrases, adverbial phrases,
Very good.
adjective phrases.
Very good.
Phrasal verbs.
Right. Thank you. Very good. Yeah. Can you please forward the mic to Surya? I think you said the first one. What is the topic?
Articles, sir.
Very good. Right. So articles. Right. So if you see in English grammar, there are the number of components are there which we need to learn, and in order to excel our communication skills, and not only that, in the examination point of view. But here, a very interesting topic that we are going to listen today, that we are going to learn, that is nothing but what it is? Right, very good. Today we are going to learn about the interesting topic about articles. Right. So as we learned in the previous class, we discussed about what are the articles and also what are indefinite articles. Can you please tell me how many types of articles do we have? 3. Oh, you must remember. Come on. You are so close to the answer. Very good. Mr. Rajkumar? Okay. So I'm asking what are the types of articles, but I didn't ask you what are the articles. The types of articles. Yes, very good. That's nice. How many are there? How many articles do we have? The 2 articles. The first one is, and the second one. The first one is indefinite article. And the second one is definite article. Right. Thank you for the response. The first one is indefinite article. The second one is the indefinite article. Do you know what is the definition for indefinite article? Do you know? What is the indefinite article? But we know that what is the definition of articles? Articles are determinants. We know that. So already in the previous class, we discussed about them. So what about indefinite article? The definition of indefinite article. Do you know? Anybody? Okay, right. Okay, so let me tell you. So the indefinite article, the article which doesn't tell the exact information about the subject of the sentence is called indefinite article. So that is the first one we discussed. And also the second one, today I'm going to talk about the second one, especially definite article, the. So what are the indefinite article means? A, comma and an. The definite article is the. So here just we try to listen, we try to remember what is the definition of definite article. So indefinite article is the article which doesn't tell the exact information of the subject of the sentence is called indefinite article. But coming to the point of definite article is the article which tells exact information about the subject of the sentence is called the definite article. So that is article the. So now I think you understood. Today we are going to learn about the definite article. Right. So today we are going to learn the indefinite article. So about the particularly the word, it represents the word the, the, or sometimes we can call also that is the. Right. So where do we use article the? So before the names of, so the first one, oceans. Where do we use article? Before the names of ocean, we use article. That is a definite article, the. So tell me, can you please tell me what are the oceans we have across over the world? Sorry? Sorry? Pacific Ocean, very good. So here, Pacific Ocean. Do you know? So before Pacific Ocean, what is the article do you use? Because it represents the ocean name. So it gives the exact information about the subject. So that's why we can use article the Pacific Ocean. Right? And next one, can you please tell me another ocean name? What we have across the world? Sir? So it's not a sea, sir. It's not a sea. What is another ocean? For example, the Pacific Ocean. Right, very good. The Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean. Right, very good. And the next, yes, please. No, sir, we don't. Sorry, Francis, we don't call them. Okay? In the end of the class, we are going to discuss about them. So, right, we try to give the answer to you. Right. So, ocean, the Pacific Ocean, the Indian Ocean. Before the oceans, before all the oceans, which article do you use? Do you use article a or an or the? The Indian Ocean, the Pacific Ocean. And the second one I would like to tell you, the next one is rivers. So what are the rivers we have? I think you have been learning since your childhood. What about the rivers? Can you please name them? Sorry? The Ganga, very good. Ganga river. So what article do you use? The Ganga river. Right. And next any more? Can you please say another rivers?
Godavari.
Sorry, very good. Godavari. Godavari. So article the Godavari river. So we can use it in that way. And next one, the third one, the first one, we can use article the definite article before the names of oceans, before the names of rivers, and before the names of seas. Can you please tell me some of the sea names? Sorry? Okay. It's an ocean. I'm asking about, sorry? Arabian Sea, very good. So article the we use before the sea, sir. The Arabian Sea. Arabian Sea. And next one more we have the Caspian Sea. Sir? what is the difference between seas and oceans, sir? We didn't get the seas and oceans. Yes, sir. It's in big in size. Right, okay. So all the seas are going to be, make a path to the oceans, sir. Right? Okay, join in the oceans. That. And the fourth one we can see, the next one, ranges of mountains. Ranges of mountains. So do you know what are the ranges of mountains? Himalayas. Right? Himalayas. Very good. Very good. The Himalayas. The Himalayas. Can you tell me another one? What are the ranges of mountains? I'm not going to ask you about the mountains, but the ranges of mountains. So if you want to say in Telugu, that is Parvata Srenulu. Sorry? Okay. Any more? Aravalli Mountains. Okay, right. So another, okay, Aravalli Mountains is also correct. The Himalayas, and next one, the Alps Mountains. The Alps Mountains. Right. So before all of these, before the oceans, we use article the. Before rivers, we use article the. Before seas, we use article the. Before ranges of mountains, we use article the. But we need to remember here, there is a exemption of omission of article. But this is not the time to discuss about each and everything about omission of articles. But I want to tell you just only one point here. The Himalayas and the Alps Mountains are the ranges of mountains. But remember that in the examination point of view, you should not write article the before Mount Everest. Because it is a single peak or single mountain or single hill. So that's why we do not use the article, the definite article before Mount Everest. So that is the single mountain or single peak. So these are the ranges of mountains. So that is the Himalayas, the Alps Mountains, right? Okay. We try to listen more about this definite article. Right. And next one, before the names of historical constructions. Historical, what is it? Historical constructions. Right. For example, already we know the Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal is a historical construction. And next, can you please tell me another one? Which are the historical constructions? Very good. So before all of them, historical construction also, we use the definite article the. So the Taj Mahal. Sorry? The high-tech city. So in another perception, we can use article the here. Right? So let us complete the topic and then we just try to discuss. Sorry? Okay, you can use the article the high-tech construction. Right? The Taj Mahal, the Charminar. The Charminar. Right? So before historical construction, we use article the. And one more thing. And next one, before innovations. Before innovations. What are the innovations? For example, television. So, for example, radio. Who invented radio? The radio is invented by Marconi. Very good. So here the radio, the innovations, inventions. The radio or the television or the computer. So before all of these inventions, we use article, definite article, that is the. Okay? And next one, before musical instruments. Before musical instruments. Yeah, Francis, I think you are adept in musical instruments to play. Yes. So can you please tell me which you like most, the musical instrument? Casio, very good. So before musical, all the musical instrument we use article the. So the musical keyboard. The musical keyboard. And next, any more? Rajesh? Can you please tell me another one in the musical instruments? Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The guitar. Next one. The piano. Very good. Right. So before all the musical instruments, we use article, definite article, the. Right. And next one, before superlative degree of adjectives. I think we know that the degrees of comparison. So what are the degrees of comparison? Positive degree, comparative degree, the superlative degrees. Before superlative degrees also, we use article the. Superlative degrees. For example, if I am poor, so that is a positive degree. Then what is the comparative degree, that is? Poorer. And what is the superlative degree? Poorest is not correct. Poorest. Okay. Right. Next, and one more word we have. Rich, richer, richest, the richest. And next one, for example, Gopi is a good boy. So how can you say that in the form of superlative degree? So there is a degrees of comparison. We have topic. So there are the three types of degrees of comparison. One is positive degree. The second one is comparative degree. The third one is superlative degree. Right? So the richest, next to the tallest, taller, tallest. So superlative degree is the tallest. Before all the superlative degrees, we use article the richest, the tallest. And next one more, the ninth one is, before abbreviative type of countries. Abbreviative type of countries. For example, USA. So what do you mean about USA? What it stands for? What it stands for, USA? United States of America. So before that, we must remember to use article the USA. And next one, the USSR. And next, the UK. So like this, we can use articles before the USA, the USSR, and the UK. Right. And next, we try to listen some more points in this. Right. So till we learnt where do we use article the. So before some of the names. So can you please tell me what are the names so that we discussed today? Before the names of oceans, before the names of seas, before the names of, rivers, before the names of canals, before the names of rivers, before the names of deserts, before the names of islands. So like this we can use article the, right? So just I want to tell you, after we listen, where do we use article the? So a comparison. Right. In the last class, we discussed about the indefinite articles also, right? So here we just try to listen, we try to remember. For example, already we discussed it. Before rivers, which article do you use? Article the, right. So here, right. So what is the article do you use before river? If we are talking that situation in the generalized, then we can use article a river. And next one, ocean, the article takes with the an ocean. And next one, canal, a canal. And next one, lake, a lake. So can you please tell me now, what is one of the river name? Nagaraju, tell me one of the river name. Right. So Krishna river. So because we are saying, we are talking about the particular thing here about the river that is a Krishna. So in that sense we can use the article the Krishna river. But when we are talking about generalize, we write down article, we use article a river and the Krishna river. And the next one, ocean. Can you please tell me another ocean name? Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean. So which article do you use? In the particularly sense, in the sense of particularity, we use the article the Atlantic Ocean. Right? So an ocean, the Atlantic Ocean. So according to the situation, in the sentence form, we can use articles like this, in the general sense and also in the particularity sense. So shall we do the activity now? Yes, sir. Right. I am going to give you some papers to you. So write your answer and return to me. Try to finish your answers. So take your 2 minutes of time and then prepare. Surya, don't copy from others. Rajesh, how much time do you take? Write down. Take down. The last 1 minute. Yeah, hope you all finished? Yes, sir. Yes, right. Okay. So look at the first question here. Yeah, what is the first answer, Surya? So according to the discussions, the teaching, so can you please tell me the first answer? Which article do you use? Whether it is indefinite article or definite article? Sorry?
Definite article.
Definite article. Very good. So what is a definite article? Is it a or an or the?
The, sir.
Very good. So just read now.
The Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest of its 5 oceanic divisions.
Right. Very good. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest of Earth 5 oceanic divisions. Very good. Right. Thank you. Next, Rajkumar. Right. So what it is? What is the answer? The second one.
Sir, the Black Sea, sir, is marginal Mediterranean Sea of the Atlantic Ocean lying between Europe and Asia, sir.
Sorry, between?
Europe and Asia.
Right, very good. Right, good answer. The Black Sea and after, before the word of Atlantic, it is also ocean name. We are talking the particular ocean name, right? So that's why we need to write article the here, the Atlantic Ocean. But coming to the point of Europe and Asia, so it is the next topic we have. So actually we don't use the articles before the proper names here, okay? Between Europe and Asia. And next one, the third one. Sir?
Europe is a continent, Asia is a continent.
Yes, sir.
Don't we use articles before continents? I think the Europe,
Yes, sir. Yes,
the
sir.
Asia.
The Europe and the Asia. Yeah. Okay, next one, the third question. The third question. King Solomon was dash wisest man. Francis? What is your answer? The wisest man. Because what is the reason behind you are saying article the? Because he is the wisest man. Can you please look into the words before the man? What is the word? Wisest. So what it is the word? Is this a positive degree or comparative degree or superlative degree? Right. Before all the superlative degrees, which article do you use? The. Article the. Right. The wisest man. And next fourth one is N. Ramani plays dash flute. So which article does comes under this? Gopi? Sorry? The flute. Very good. Before the musical instruments, which article do you use? Article the. Next one. The fifth one. Dash radio was invented by Marconi. Which article do you use? So before inventions,
The radio.
the radio. So already we discussed before inventions, we try to write article the radio. And next one, the sixth one, before all abbreviation type of countries, but not I am talking about abbreviating type of degrees, abbreviative type of countries. So before all of them, we use article the. So the definite article, the USA. What is your answer, Gopi? Yes, so you can see here USA, abbreviative. Within the brackets, for your understanding, I wrote this. Okay, right. And this, the USA, very good. Good question. And seventh one, acid rain converts the marble of dash Taj Mahal. So which article do you use, Surya? Which article do you use for the seventh one?
For the seventh one, sir. Sir, the, sir, definite article.
The. Why? What is the reason behind
Because,
this?
Taj Mahal is there, sir.
Taj Mahal.
As you said,
So that
historical
is
constructions.
right.
That is,
Historical constructions.
yes, sir.
So before the historical construction, we use article the.
The,
So the Taj Mahal.
Yes, sir.
To calcium nitrate and sulfate, which get solubilized and fall as rain on the Taj Mahal, thereby washing away its color. Right. So
Yes,
in the next class, today we discussed about indefinite article. In the previous class, we discussed indefinite article. Today we discussed about definite article. In the next class, we are going to listen the omission of articles. Okay? Thank you all. Have a nice day to you.